masakit lang. But sabi ko nga, ganyan talaga ang basketball eh. Merong mananalo, merong matatalo. Ang natalo, which is us, ang sabi ko lang sa players ko, we've been had, we'll get back, we'll prepare for Alaska in the game 5. And I still believe that we're capable of beating Alaska and we're capable of beating anyone, any teams in the PBA. It's just like we just have to start strong and really prove ourselves that we are one of the defensive team this team.
Is it something, Coach, na nararamdaman mo pa rin ngayon? Nararamdaman pa rin ng mga players mo no after Sunday? Monday ba nag-ensayo ba kayo kahapon?
Hindi po kasi ang reason behind ko doon ayaw ko makita ang players ko na lugmok eh. They really played their hearts out that game. I don't want to take away the credit to Alaska, but my players deserve that win. Deserve that game. Masakit lang. But sabi ko nga sa players ko, let's just rest. Forget about everything. Mag-usap kayo ng pamilya mo. Gumala kayo. Kalimutan yung game na to. Kasi wala na to. Wala na tayong magagawa kundi kanina lang. Accept na lang natin na talagang hindi para sa atin ang game na to. Pero pagbalik natin ng Tuesday, which is today, bagong isip na naman tayo at isipin lang natin na kaya pa natin. Even it's 2-2, natalo natin ang 4 na beses sa Alaska, tatalunin pa rin natin yan. Ang sa akin lang personally po, nahiya ako sa sarili ko, sa ginawa ko nung game na yon. Kasi po hindi po ako ang taong ganun eh. Napuno lang po talaga ako, even though nakita mo at Sir Dennis, sabay tayong lumabas nun. Lumabas tayo nung after nung game na yun, sama ng loob ko. Even though, sa totoo lang, masama-sa ang mata ko sa luha eh. Dahil parang, I was quite frustrated and disappointed the way things had been done in that game. Pero sabi ko nga, I told already the PBA about my side. I told them why my actions are in that game. And I do apologize for that. Siguro, quite of frustrations or disappointment sa nangyari nung game na yon. But overall po, I've never been frustrated or disappointed about the series. I will still be back. Santa Lucia will be back. I will always be prepared for this game and even in this series. Ang sa akin lang is, we lose on the game basis. Hindi naman po kami matatalo kung one eh. Kaya lang, I think, siguro, nakuha na po ng PBA yan. They know already my side. That game is over. Natalo na po kami even though masama loob ko. Pero babalik po kami.
Okay. And isang pang-angulo, Coach, if you don't mind, no? Isang katanungan lang. Tungkol dito sa, ito rin ang tinitingnan ng mga tao, no? I think starting game 2 pa ata, no? Yung hindi ka kinakamayan ni Coach Tim Cone, which is customary, no? Among coaches. But seeing you, no? Parati naman nandun ka, pupunta ka sa kabila. Even yung game 4, no, I saw you na tumawid ka sa kabila at inakap ka ni Coach Joel Banal, but Coach Tim Cone, wala ron. Is it something na naapektuhan nga considering na dati mong coach si Coach Tim?
Sir Dennis, actually po, ang Santa Lucia po, especially hindi po ako naapektuhan dun sa diskarte ni Coach Tim. Ang sa akin lang sinasabi ko pa ulit-ulit, nare-respeto ko po siya kung ano man ang diskarte niya. Probably, wala na po siyang magagawa sa mga nangyayari nung first 2 games. He was probably quite frustrated or disappointed na kahit anong gawin niya, hindi pa rin nananalo yung team niya ng last 2 games. Probably siguro he has to find ways and means as a head coach, i-perk up yung guys niya or try to get sympathy from people who still respecting him a lot. I respect him a lot. Kung ano man ang magiging diskarte niya na hindi siya magkipagkamay sa akin, it's his prerogative as a head coach and it's his prerogative as a person. But still, I do respect him. Sa akin lang is, yung pagkakamay is customary, di ba? But it's up to the PBA again to do that. Sa kanila pa rin po, ipabalik ko po sa kanila. I really wanted to play for Alaska. And when I started with Alaska, ang saya-saya ko. Hindi po ako, naging masaya ako doon sa Alaska. I've been with, naging close ako sa mga players ng Alaska, especially kina Sir Gas, si Dr. Soon. Malapit po sa akin, sa puso ko po yung Alaska. Sabi ko nga, respeto lang. Sa akin, hindi ko kasi magagawa yung ginagawa niya dahil hindi ako ganun Hindi ako ganung tao.
Okay.
And I think it's just a style of Coach Tin. I played with him, I played under him, and I know his style. Kaya lang, kung minsan nga lang, sana naman respetuhin niya yung liga, respetuhin na rin po yung mga taong nagtitingala pa rin sa kanya na magaling siyang coach at maging motivator. But I hope sana po ilalura natin. Maglaro lang tayo, tapusin natin tong game, ang series na to sa basketball. Huwag na nating because I am the champion coach, I can do everything I want to do.
Okay.
Yun lang. Medyo masama lang doon ang loob ko, but still, I do respect him as a coach, and I do respect him as my former coach. And he's probably been my mentor being a coach in this team.